I think we just yank it out. Oh,
This shit's really light.
yeah. It's cause, you know, the demon, you know, this actually adds like 100 horsepower. Alright boys, so we got some exciting things happening right now. As you can see, I'm here with the Hellcat, and today we got a little bit of wheeling and dealing going on. But pretty much, we are saying goodbye to the stock Hellcat hood for multiple reasons. One reason, there's a scratch here, and there's a scratch here, and there's a bend here. And I've been thinking about getting a new hood, as I've been talking about. I've been talking to you guys about that for a while now. And the time has come. I've got a new hood on the way. So I posted this hood for sale on Craigslist and Facebook. And some guy hit me up, and he wants to trade me $100 cash, an AR-15, and his stock hood. So that's what we got going on. So he's on the way now, waiting for him to get here, and we're gonna swap. I don't even think I'm gonna put his hood on. I might just put it up in here somewhere, but I'm trying to decide what I'm gonna do. But he's about to pull up. Once he gets here, we're gonna check out this gun and I guess pull this bad boy off. Okay, here she is. I'll pop the hood. Badass, bro. Thanks, dude. I almost. Alright boys, my camera died, and as you can see, I'm freaking sweating, but check this out. I got the glasses on, I've been trying that, check it out. Let me know what you guys think about the glasses. But we got no freaking hood, as you can tell. What do you guys think? You like the look? I kind of like the look of no hood. It's kind of crazy looking. I might rock it like this for a little bit until the hood comes in. But we gotta wait for it, but check this out. So I got his AR, scope, $100 carry handle, and I got this hood out here. So this thing's in mint condition. No issues, no scratches, no dings. These are going for about $500 on eBay and online. So I got that, this, and I'll probably sell this for $700. So if I do this right, I pretty much got my new hood for free. If I do this right, but we're gonna find out. So we're gonna stay tuned for that. I don't know what's gonna happen, but for now I'm gonna put all this stuff away and go inside and take a shower because it's hot out here. But what do you guys think about the no hood look? I wanna know. Should I rock it like this for a little bit or what? You tell me what you think in the comments. What is up, everyone? It is finally the day I'm getting the new hood. So you guys know I've been talking about getting a new hood for a long time now. We've been talking since I even got this car, I've been talking about getting the Demon hood. So I looked at a lot of aftermarket options. I looked at all different types of options. I've been trying to get it, secure it, lock it down since the day I bought this car, and the time has finally came. That's the hood I pulled off the other guy's car. So if you guys don't know, this is my this is the setup right now. I got the hitch on the Vet, and it looks pretty ridiculous, I'm not gonna lie. We're hopping in the Vet and we're going up to go pick up this hood because my truck is still getting lifted. If you guys don't know, my truck's getting a 13-inch lift on 2616s, my F350 Platinum, and it's gonna be insane. So that's like coming literally like really soon. I think I'm supposed to go pick it up tomorrow because it's pretty much done. I'll attach a little teaser pic right here. And the truck is looking freaking insane, so I cannot wait to pick that up. I'm literally so excited, like I can't even explain. But let's start this bad boy up and head out. It's already warmed up, so you know the cold start isn't so cold and it doesn't sound so good, but she does sound pretty badass. I guess let's roll out and go pick up this new hood. Meeting the guy up at a gas station that's selling me it. I'm probably not gonna film too much just for his I'm sure a lot of people don't want to be filmed, but I guess I'll catch you guys in a few. I'm in a lot of traffic right now. I'd love to freaking open this thing up. There we go. I think my car is literally almost just as fast with the trailer. I have to like do some actual testing, but that's what I'm thinking. All right, boys, so we're filling up right now, and check out what we got on the trailer, baby. We have secured the hood. I'm not gonna open it right now, obviously. Wait till we get home, but it's all packaged up. We got it strapped down. Look at this thing. It literally fit like a glove. Look, there's not a single inch of space. We secured the hood finally. It only took like 6 months, but I guess let's roll out. Got a full tank. Only cost me 36 bucks. I don't know if I'm gonna miss the truck, because once I get the truck, that thing's probably gonna be sucking down fuel. But so I got the boys here. We need some big strong muscles to muscle this thing out, because this is not a one-man job here. I'll end up denting it, dropping it, scratching it. That's why we got the boys here to come help. We got Matthews and David here.
I know you're getting a different hood.
I got the demon hood. Here, I gotta show you guys. So you guys know what I'm talking about. That's like the demon hood.
Oh, dang.
You see how it has the scoop and everything?
Yeah.
So it's totally different. Before, I didn't have that. Before, I had...
It was just flat.
Yeah, it was like that. So I had one little scoop and then 2 scoops there. This is like the one big scoop. So, you know, a game changer.
Let's put it on.
It took me 6 months to get it because the dealership won't sell it to you. I had to get it, you know, off the black market. I've had to pay the guy in Bitcoin. So if any of you guys want this, you know, you got to get the black market. I think we just yank it out.
Yeah.
It's not that hard, but this definitely isn't like a one-man ordeal. Oops. It's like it tips out. Oh.
Is this plastic, bro? You should have ordered this shit from China.
Like
This shit's really light.
Yeah, it's because, you know, the demon, you know. This actually adds like 100 horsepower. Was that satisfying or what?
It's pretty satisfying.
Oh, there she is. I don't know how I didn't get this piece, but I'm gonna have to get this piece still. It didn't come with it. I thought it did.
How much are you selling this for?
You?
I got full price right now.
Since you're helping me out, you can just have it, man.
1 million subs.
Hey, a million subs, I'll give you that dirt bike. If we can get it by the end of the week. So make sure you guys subscribe.
Help me out.
We need to help my boy out with the KTM.
I really need this bike.
Is ready?
Yeah.
So we just got 2 screws, and I guess we just lift it on and then thread them in. Seems like it's like way too hard to put in, but I think it's fine. I think it's fine. Danny Duncan. Oh, it's not like this hood's like super rare, and it's not like I can't get another one or anything. You ready? This is gonna be satisfying. Boom. Oh.
You were right.
That was so satisfying.
Yo, do this one, do this one.
You ready? Oh, fuck. Dude, I wish I had this freaking scoop, but I guess we're about to find out what this thing looks like. Boom.
It's not that bad at all.
Yeah, it actually fits really good. It looks kind of fucking sick though. Look at it from here. Like, come back here and just look at that shit.
If you caught it by a glance,
Dude, that shit's so hard.
looks sick from like the side.
Dude, that shit goes so hard. It just looks like... Yeah, dude, that hood is sick, dude. And guess what? I got this hood. I might have got it for free. So I sold.
Of course you did. Of course. Yeah.
I sold the stock hood for this hood. The guy gave me his stock hood.
Yeah.
And he gave me an AR-15, and he gave me $100. I'm gonna sell the AR for $700. I'm gonna sell that hood for like $600, and then I got $100.
Let's go for.
I mean, I don't know. That's probably worth $600, I think.
I'm saying like.
Oh, I wanted $800, but he
800. He gave you an AR on that.
and $100. So I think like I'm like ahead.
How much is that?
Where do you find these?
This was $13.50. I think once I sell all that stuff, I'll get this for free. Cause I wasn't trying to drop $1,400 on a hood, but like, I mean, it does look kind of cool.
It looks cool.
That bitch is bad, dude. Oh, dude, I've been wanting this hood since before I bought the car. Matthews knows.
Is this a demon now?
This is the. I mean, it's pretty much a demon.
What's missing right here? What is it? Like?
It's just a little black plastic
Just
piece.
like a rim?
Yeah, then you won't see this. It's just flat.
Oh, okay.
So loud. What'd you say? I got the red seatbelts now.
Oh, damn.
That match with the red stitching.
Oh, fuck.
Oh fuck.
Your bros are gonna thirst over this shit. No girls are gonna be like, no.
Oh my god, is that the demon? Is that the demon hood?
Is that the demon head, Judah?
Should I return this now? But hey, this is the wrong one, guys.
How I got demon hood
For free.
for more than free, guys. I got paid.
I got paid by them.
I got paid
get this.
$800 for a demon hood.
Alright guys, so we're in the Hellcat, and David, a good friend of mine, he's been around. He saw it when I bought it, and he knew before I bought it, like, he's known the whole story.
I was one of the first people you ever told before you even got
like
it.
right when I like had the news I bought it, I was like he was one of the first people I called. But this is like his first time riding in it, which is kind of crazy because it's been like a long process.
I know, it's been months. I've never even been.
I know.
It's faster than your Corvette.
Because the tires are bald, it's not, but it is faster. Like it has more horsepower and it would be faster, but since I have shitty tires, it just spins. Like it doesn't even want to like hook up or anything.
Yeah.
40 roll.
Went a little sideways.
Yeah, that wasn't even a pull.
Bro, the like squeal.
The squeal sounds so insane, and look, it's all wet out right now too.
Yeah.
We gotta be careful. Is that guy honking at me? Yeah, he does. He was checking out the car. What the hell do these guys want? Lights up. I had trash can.
That guy's like, what the?
I forgot to turn trash control off, so it kicked on.
my.
So we're over here at this parking garage. I brought my vet here a while back when I bought it. And you know, we're gonna get some shots, break out the drone and whatnot. Look at that truck. That truck's pretty sick. A limited.
That's nice.
And you get to rev it in here. Drift it.
Don't you?
Don't drift. Nah. Even a gate.
Does that just slide open?
I think it just slides open. I'm just gonna move it. How we looking? Oh, we're golden.
Do it for the vlog.
All right, boys. And now cue the drone shot. Alright guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think of the hood. The hood looks freaking sick. I'm missing this bezel still. I gotta figure that out, but regardless, it looks sick. And let me know what mods you want to see next. I've got a couple other things I'm thinking about, but nothing really too crazy. So let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. I get my truck back tomorrow, so you're gonna be seeing that real soon. And yeah, David, what do you have to say?
Very nice car. Very cool, man. I like it.
All right, guys. I'll catch y'all next time.